What if ChatGPT remembered your writing style, your goals, and your favorite way of working, without you repeating it every time? Most people start every conversation from scratch. But ChatGPT can remember the things you want it to remember, making every future conversation smarter. Imagine teaching AI once that you're a student, a designer, or a business owner, and never having to explain it again. Without memory, AI asks you to repeat yourself. With memory, it already knows how you like to work and gives more personalized answers from the start. That's why writers, developers, students, entrepreneurs, and creators use memory to spend less time repeating instructions and more time getting things done. That's the best part? You stay in control. ChatGPT only remembers what you choose, and you can update or remove those memories anytime. Now imagine ChatGPT researching hundreds of sources and giving you one clear answer in minutes. That's the feature we're exploring next.